Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change a checkbox font size or expand it using Foxit PDF Editor. This is my Fillable PDF form and I say this checkbox font size. Now click on this form option and here you will find the select option. Click on the select down arrow and here you will find select annotation. Now click on the checkbox and select, and here you will find this increasing and decreasing sidebar, and see this. In this way you can change a text box's font size and see this. Also you can change font size customly. Select properties dialog box and position option. Here you can increase decrease your position. Also you can change all of them at once. Drag your mouse cursor and select and change it, and you can align and make it same size all of them, and see this. And finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.